This is about the third print that I've made on my longer. This is using slicer, making a bracket for a motorcycle windshield mount. And the infill on this one made the pieces kind of hollow. I didn't like that. I want to make sure that they're structurally sound. Ideally, I'd make this out of nylon. I redesigned it so the corners are rounded, and that's what's printing right now. I also made another mistake in my file. You can see the step there. That should be flush. I'm gonna let it finish printing anyway, so I can check the holes and make sure that everything else is working okay. You can see the holes in this piece are elongated, and that one's kind of elongated too. It's supposed to be round, and I think maybe that's the slicer settings. So I'm gonna try the longer slicing software and see if that makes the difference, or if I need to go in and do a calibration on the machine.